The International Baccalaureate Diploma Program uses a highly specific, standardized framework to evaluate students across different global regions. It is a system built on precise metrics rather than subjective percentages. This structure begins with 6 distinct subjects, chosen by the student to reflect their academic interests and future goals. To measure progress, each of these 6 subjects is placed on a scale from 1 to 7. A 7 indicates that a student has met the highest descriptors for that specific syllabus, demonstrating an advanced grasp of the material. A 4 represents a satisfactory performance, the standard benchmark for passing a subject and demonstrating a clear understanding of core concepts. Because these numbers correspond to specific skills and knowledge sets, they provide a universal language for universities. An IB grade tells an admissions officer exactly what a student is capable of, whether they studied in Mumbai, perhaps in London, or New York. Within those 6 subjects, students distribute their effort across 2 distinct levels of intensity. Higher level, or HL courses, require 240 teaching hours. These subjects demand a more rigorous exploration of complex topics and the development of higher-order analytical skills. Standard-level courses provide a broad foundation in a subject, typically completed over 150 teaching hours. Scoring these courses involves 2 different assessment methods. Internal assessments are coursework tasks, like lab reports or oral presentations, marked by the student's own teachers and moderated by the IB. The largest portion of the grade, however, comes from external exams. These end-of-course papers typically account for 70 to 80% of the final subject result. This dual assessment model ensures a student's grade reflects both their consistent effort during the school year and their ability to apply knowledge during formal examinations. To calculate the final diploma score, the IB uses a simple additive process. If a student achieves the top grade of 7 in each of their 6 subjects, the subjects contribute 42 points toward the final total. The final diploma score also incorporates the IB core, specifically the Theory of Knowledge course and the extended essay, which are evaluated separately from the 6 subjects. Exceptional results in these core components reward the student with up to 3 additional bonus points. When these bonus points are added to the subject maximum of 42, the student reaches the peak IB score of 45. A 45-point total confirms that a student has balanced 6 distinct academic disciplines while successfully managing high-level independent research. While 45 is the mathematical ceiling, the IB diploma is awarded based on meeting specific minimum thresholds rather than achieving perfection. To receive the diploma, a student must accumulate at least 24 points overall while meeting specific requirements for their higher-level results. Students must also fulfill the creativity, activity, service requirement. While CAS does not contribute points to the final score, completing these extracurricular projects is a mandatory condition for graduation. One variable that often concerns parents is the difficulty of the exams themselves, which can fluctuate from year to year. The IB manages this through shifting grade boundaries. The marks needed to earn a 7 are determined after each session based on actual global student performance. This adaptive boundary ensures the final grade reflects a student's cohort standing, accounting for specific exam difficulty. Successfully managing these variables, from course selection to exam preparation, requires a clear, individualized strategy. To help your child navigate their IB path, connect with Fundoo Tutor. Our one-to-one guidance provides the expert support needed to reach their academic potential.